You see that stuff, but I think the old stuff is just no good. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna check, see if any of this paint bubbled up, scrape it off, and maybe have to sand a little bit, but get it all clean. Gotta tack in that patch we made, and then I think we're gonna start sanding down this back piece here. I have some holes in it, I'm not sure what those are for. But anyway, sanding that down. If we got enough of it done, we may spray some of that rust reformer just on the back here, and maybe in the little squares if we get it taken care of, if there's no holes. I don't know, debating on doing the citrus stripper on the bed, or I don't know if I should just grind it down. May check and clean those off and that off, and then do the citrus stripper up to the back of the tub inner fenders here. Do it that far up, then let it set. Come back, scrape it all, and paint it all at one time. Majority of work is going to be getting that patch piece in and kind of getting it ground down to where it looks halfway decent, and sanding this down and maybe the inside corners. That's all I plan on doing tonight. Like I said, I got here pretty late and I gotta go to work in the morning, so we'll try to get this kind of taken care of, and then next time we'll hopefully can spray some of that rust reformer a little ways up and just keep working our way up. As soon as we hit the tubs, we'll go ahead and sand those too, and maybe even the inside the bed here as well, because we need to get all the burn marks off and sand those welds down. And that reminds me too, we need to go and fix the welds again, make sure there's no holes. Anyways, we'll get to that later, but let's jump over here and get started. Also, something happened before I started filming. That raccoon keeps on trying to get in this door. So I ran out, scared him off, and my door handle does not work anymore. For some reason it won't turn, even though it's unlocked. This, it's kind of hard to see, but this don't turn. So I had to stand on the other side and kick my door and break this off. So I think I can hammer it back down there, glue it together, and stick some screws in it. That should be all right. So tonight when I leave, I'm gonna have to pull that cable and lift this up far enough to get underneath it, because I don't want the raccoon coming in here. I don't think you can open that. Maybe. I'll probably put my anvil up against the door. But yeah, this is an excitement that happened earlier. Back to business. Bubbled up a little bit, not too much. We'll get that all down, clean this out again. Finish sanding this over here, clean this out again, and put that in there. I'll probably call it a night. We'll clean this off up to here, all the way across, and try. I think we got some of this, but this is kind of old. I got a little bit of stuff that we have been using, so we'll put that on there and let it sit overnight again. I'm gonna put you up on a ladder and we'll tack that in first, let that set a little bit longer, and get that in there, kind of ground down a little bit. Well, I think that'll just not. Gonna start grinding on this because I saw some rust coming up. So I want to get that knocked down. See if I need to add any more weld to it. Maybe put some self-etching primer on it. Got these better, I think. I think that'll be all right. A little bit of Bondo. That one's pretty good. Still have a hole in this one. Need to come back and put a few little welds in it. That one's pretty good. That was pretty good. And I created a low spot grinding right there, but other than that, I think a little bit of Bondo, that'll be fine. We put some rust preventative. Probably should wait until it dried before I start sanding, but oh well. We'll sand it back down and repaint it, I guess. But it looks pretty good. I may do the whole floor in that as far as we go up. I forgot to put the stripping gel. We'll do that after this. And we put a patch in. It's pretty flat, actually. Doesn't feel half bad. And seems to be okay shape. Could use a little bit more grinding on it, but I think that came out pretty good. Let me set you on tailgate and we'll put some of this stripping gel from here all the way across, all the way down to where the black is. I don't know if you see that stuff, but I think the old stuff is just no good. That or there's too much dirt. Could be the problem too. I think next time I'm gonna try to get this looking like that. Hopefully all this too, if this works, which I don't think it will, but give it a shot and see how it goes. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. It's pushing 1 o'clock and I'm pretty tired. We got the patch in, started painting this through here. Put some more stripping gel on it, which I don't think that's gonna work. I think I just need to throw the old one away. Next time we'll clean the bed out better with some water and just make sure there's no dirt or anything on it. Then we'll put more of that gel on it if this didn't work. And we'll try to sand it down and put some more of that rust preventative. Just work our way up to the cab. And we also refilled these holes, trim holes, and ground down that butt weld that looks horrendous. Probably do a little bit more of this next time. Like I said, we're gonna work on the bed and grind a little bit on the sides, spatcher side, get all that knocked down, and get some self-etching primer over it. Because I don't think I don't want to take it out if I don't have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and just prep it like I should and get all that done. If you made this far, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. Like I said, keep going with the bed and hopefully you get it all black and looking right. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time.